Hello student, welcome to my class of computer subject for class 10th. In last video student, we have understand in a DBMS, that is sorting data in a table and referential integrity. Now we are going to understand how to create relationship, and we will understand how many types of relationship, okay, like one-to-one, one-to-many and many-to-many. So let's begin with the theoretical part first student. So you can see in this particular topic, we will understand how to create a relationship. So student, as I teach you in earlier video student, relationship is a association or the connection between two or more than one table, okay, and when they are connected, there should be one column should be common as per according to their data type, okay, or their name also, sometime name also. So here we do not need to enter same value in different table, okay. So what are its benefit? First we will understand it. So it's a benefit, or it help us to save time, as there is no need to enter same data in a separate table. Yes student, we can enter the one data in a table, it will automatically store in another table also, but we need to enter some specific detail in separate table also, okay. Next one thing, reduce data entry errors. Definitely if you are entering the value in a one table, okay, it should be unique, okay, and it will reduce the data entry errors also. Next one thing, summarize data from the related table. Yes, we can summarize data from the related table also, okay. Now we can create a relationship with the help of tool option, okay. I'm to say tool menu. You can see in this figure, when you will click on tool option, I'm to say menu, you will see the relationship. Inside that, if you will click on this particular dialog box will appear. The dialog box name is add table. In this add table, the existing table will be shown in a form of icons. You need to just select them and add it. I'm to say click it on add, and at that moment you can apply the relationship. Now we are going to understand how many types of relationship. So here are three type of relationship: one to one, one to many, or we can say that many to one, and at last many to many. So actually student, this is based on the primary key, okay, or foreign key. So student, we are going to just understand what is one-to-one relationship. So here you can see student, one-to-one relationship contain, both table contain at least one primary key in each table. So here EMP ID containing primary key and department ID also containing primary key. If a student primary table and secondary table having both, that is primary key, when then we can see that it is connected one to one, that is one here is a one here, you can see figure, okay. So this is known as one to one what thing relationship. And now many to one to many or many to one relationship. Suppose that we are having one table, that is primary table or secondary table containing primary key, and secondary table do not contain any primary key in any particular column, I am to say attribute. So that time it considered as one to many or many to one, okay student. Now many to many relationship. So in this relationship, table has primary key, okay, there is no primary key will be in a both table. So you can see that student, here is EMP table do not contain any particular what thing primary key, and secondary table do not contain any primary key. In this case, both are considered as many to many relationship student. So now we are going to do it practically, how to create the relationship between two tables. So I will open OpenOffice 1.4.7. I have already created a database in practice, so I will select this one thing. So you have to just see there are three tables I have created, okay, according to the primary key, okay. So what I am going to do student, I have to go to tool option and click on relationship. As you can see, all table will be shown in add table option. So I am going to show you first one-to-one relationship. So I will click on add for account and S account for second one thing. Now close it. Now you can see student. Now you can see student, I will delete it student, but I'm going to show you this one. So here I will click on add and T account, this is primary key. So one-to-one relationship. Now you can see student, both table containing primary key. If I'll just click on it and just drag to it and place in this table, you can see that one-to-one, you can see one-to-one relationship has been created. Another one relationship I'll create. So here account, and this one thing you can see already created. Okay, so you can see one-to-one relationship. Now after that you can save it, okay, and press Ctrl W. Now again I am going to create relation, okay, that is go to tool option, relation. I will delete this particular relation. So select this particular line, right click on this and delete, or you can delete one by one. So student, I hope you have learned how to create the relationship one-to-one. Now one-to-many. So what I will do, student, I will do the same thing. I will go to tool option and then relationship. Now this table will be appear in front of you, that is add table. Click on add and go to S account, add. Now you can see, student, here is no primary key in secondary table. So I will click on it and then drag to this table, okay, like this. Now you can see that here is one-to-many. Okay, student. So by this example we understand how to create one-to-many relationship. Now we are going to talk about many-to-many. Okay, to perform the many-to-many, I need to create a table that do not contain any kind of primary key, because I have already created the table that contain at least primary key. Okay, so to delete the relationship, you have to just right click on this line and then after that delete it, and you can delete table one by one like this and save it. Okay, now student, we are going to understand how to create a many-to-many relationship. So to do that, student, I will create a new particular table, that is account ID, maybe integer. Okay, here will be integer. So you can just select it, type integer. Suppose that here balance, suppose that integer. Okay, and now you have to save it. Suppose that it is B account. Okay, and now I have created it. So I don't want to create any primary key. So now close it. So you can see B count. Now, student, we are going to understand how to create a many-to-many relationship. So you have to go to tool option, then after that relationship, you need to know which one table containing no primary key. So add it, and now B account edit. So you can see there are two tables is present here. Okay, if you will click on this one thing and drag to this one particular ID, it will create many-to-many relationship.